Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is parts of speech. But first of all, I request you to subscribe my channel and then start the topic. What is parts of speech? All the words in English are divided into 8 groups. All the words in English are divided into 8 groups on the basis of their function in the sentence. They are called parts of speech. It means in English there are a lot of words which it is too difficult to study all of them. To make the study easy, they are divided into 8 groups on the basis of their function in the sentence. They are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech about which we will study here. It is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let's try to define noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, things, animals, feeling and idea. Feeling and idea comes under abstract noun. Feelings and idea. Have a look on the example. Person, Sita and Ram. Place, Delhi and Patna. Things, book, pen. Animals, cow, dog. Feelings and idea, coldness and beauty, which comes under abstract noun. I have made separate video types of noun. You can watch to get more and more knowledge. Pronoun. Replacing words are called pronoun. Replacing word. Pronoun is called replacing word so that it replaces noun. It comes on the place of noun. In other words, pronoun is a word which comes on the place of a noun. Pronoun comes on the place of noun. Some of the example of pronoun: I, we, you, he, she, it and they. You must try to learn example because it is called that. Example is not the another way of teaching, but example is the only way of teaching. So I will try to make you to understand how on the place of noun pronoun is used. In a sentence, Mohan is rich. Mohan is noun, but he is miser. He is pronoun. He is used for Mohan. In one sentence, one noun is used only once and after that pronoun is used. So for Pooja, she is used here. Pooja is noun and she is pronoun. Number third, verb. Doing words are called verb. All the words which shows action, they are called verb. Or in other words, you may define verb is a word which shows an action or a state of being. Verb shows action and there are some action words: to go, to read, to play, to sing. To is used with verb. It indicates verb. And there are 3 important forms of verb: V1, V2 and V3. Just like forms of go, go, went, gone. Forms of eat, eat, ate, eaten. This type I have also made separate video. Types of verb and its uses. You may watch it for your knowledge. Adjective. Describing words are called adjective. In other words, adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Or you may tell adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. Qualifies. These qualifying words are good, fat, rich, red, sweet, bad. And adjective has also 3 forms: positive, comparative and superlative. Comparison of degree. I have made separate video comparison of degree. You may watch and get more and more knowledge. Adverb. Adverb is a word which joins 2 word, sentence, phrase and clause. Look definition. An adverb is a word which describes. Whom describes adverb? Verb, adjective and another adverb. And there are some example: fast, well, very loudly and quickly. Most of the adverb last with alva, but there are some of the adverbs which do not last with alva. They are in their actual form, fast, well and very. Now try to understand it with example in the sentence. I speak loudly. Speak is verb here and loudly adverb. So this adverb describe to the verb. I am very fat. Very is adverb here and fat adjective. This adverb describe adjective. Meeting ended too quickly. Too and quickly both are adverb and both describes each other. Next number, preposition. You may tell in simple language preposition shows position, or in other language a word which is used before noun or pronoun to show place, time and direction. Preposition shows place, time and direction. There are some example: in, into, at, of, to, with, under, over. These are total preposition. Try to understand with the help of sentence. Frog is in the well. In shows here rest position and frog jumped into the well. Into shows movement, but a study of preposition is so vast, so I have made separate video for it. You may watch that there. Conjunction joins two word, sentence, phrase, clause, so it is called conjunction. And you may tell a word which joins two words, phrase, clause and sentence, they are called conjunction. And these joining words are and, or, to, nor, since, while, where. Now there are some example: bread and butter. Bread one word, butter other word, and both are joined with and. Tea or coffee. Tea and coffee are two words, they are joined with or. Raju is fat. Here is one sentence: Raju is fat, and other sentence: he is strong. Both sentences are joined with but. So conjunction join two word and also two sentence. Interjection expresses happiness, sorrow and surprise. So you may define interjection: a word which expresses a strong emotion. A strong emotion means pain, pleasure and surprise. It is called interjection. There are some of the words which expresses pain, pleasure and happiness. They are hurrah, wow, oh, alas, ah, ouch. And now in the sentence, oh he died. Oh he died. Oh is used here to express pain. Wow, what a lovely gift. Wow is used here to express surprise. This type determiner is also parts of speech, but I have made separate video for determiner. You may watch there. And please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I once again request you. Many thanks to watch this video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.